How can I hide specific text messages on my Android device?
Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we will be discussing an interesting topic. How can you hide specific text messages on your Android device? Many of us have private texts that we'd prefer to keep confidential. Today, we're going to help you do just that.
Why might you want to hide text messages?
Privacy is becoming increasingly important in the digital age. Whether you want to hide text messages for security reasons, or simply prefer to keep your conversations private, understanding how to do so is a valuable skill.
What do you need to get started?
Before we start, make sure you have access to your Android device and its App Store. Depending on the method you choose, you might need to download third-party applications to hide your messages.
How to use built-in Android features to hide messages?
Your Android device has built-in features that can help keep your messages hidden. First, you can simply delete messages. However, remember that once deleted, these messages can't be retrieved. Second, you can archive your conversations. This will move them out of your primary inbox, but you can still access them if needed. To archive a message, long press the conversation, then select the archive option.
How to use third-party apps to hide messages?
If you're looking for more comprehensive solutions, there are third-party apps that specialize in hiding messages. Apps such as Vault, Private Message Box, and Calculator Pro can hide your messages behind a secure PIN, password, or even a fake front. These apps make your messages invisible to anyone who doesn't know the passcode. To use these, simply download the app from your device's App Store, install it, and follow the instructions provided to secure your messages.
What precautions should you take?
While these methods can help hide your messages, it's important to remember that no method is 100% foolproof. Always be mindful of who has access to your device and use strong, unique passwords for any apps used to hide your messages. That wraps up today's video on how to hide specific text messages on your Android device. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, privacy matters and it's in your hands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.